Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a no-sew mask with just 3 simple steps. Here I have an old long sleeve shirt. I have tissues and a scissor.
First you're going to hold the sleeve up from ear to ear. Get your measurements, cut it. Then you're going to want to make 2 little slits, one on each side. This is eventually where your ears are going to go. I'm going to grab myself a tissue. And then I'm going to place it inside the sleeve. Now, let's try it on. It is that simple, guys. Easy peasy. If you do not have a sleeve, you could always replace it with a sock. Have the slits on the front part and then pull it around your ear so that way it keeps the part that you cut in place. I want to see if I can blow out this candle. This is actually extremely comfortable. It fits me just fine around my ears. The bridge of my nose holds it up just fine. But for those of you that have a smaller nose, you may want to use a pipe cleaner. Stick it in through the side. I took it off here so I could just pinch it on the side so it holds it in place. Heading on to the other side, and I'm going to do the same thing. Here's what it looks like, and you could just pinch it right at the nose.
I hope you found this video helpful.
This is not to say that this mask is 100% effective. However, if you are running out of masks and you need a mask, this is a simple, easy, inexpensive way that only takes 3 steps. And if you don't have a sleeve, you can also replace it with a sock. Thanks guys for watching. Stay safe. Bye.